When your poultry bed is sick, the birds dey strong. Sometimes the bird sef fit even die as a result of this sickness. So now, if your poultry bed no well or your poultry bed dey sick, wetin you need to do to help that bird to dey strong? One, make you isolate the sick bird. Isolating the sick bird mean say you go remove the bird from the rest of other flock go keep for another place wey you don prepare for them. Why you dey isolate your poultry bed? You dey isolate your poultry bed so that e no go infect other birds with sickness, or say other birds dem no go match on am because say him no strong. Because if you leave that sick bird there, dem fit match on top am and e fit die. Another thing be say make you give your birds clean water and food. If you give your bird clean water and food, e dey make dem strong. But when you give dem contaminated or bad water or food, e go make dem no dey strong again. E fit even make the birds die. The third thing wey you go do na to give your bird drugs. Yes, drugs dey help your poultry bird to dey healthy. E dey help to prevent disease from your poultry. So if your bird dey sick for either viral disease, bacterial disease or parasitic disease, e good make you give dem drugs wey go make dem dey healthy and strong. So that one dey very important. Another thing wey you go do be say, if na big bird, e no go too good make you give am finish, especially if na broiler, because say the bird e don sick well well, e no fit eat. You need to dey give am food wey e go dey chop small small. Then if e don try big, if e don try dey healthy, you give dem finisher. Or if possible, if you press say na finisher you wan give dem, e good make you grind am before you give dem, so that dem go fit try dey chop, because that finisher e fit give dem stress wey dem dey eat am. So another thing we go do, try make you dey clean the poultry house, because house wey no dey clean e fit infect your poultry bird. So e dey very important make you clean the house when you dey put your sick bird there, so that dem go dey healthy. So I hope say you enjoy the video wey we just do now. No forget to subscribe to this channel, follow our Facebook page, share our video, subscribe, so that YouTube go share the video to other people. Recommend our video to other people by sharing the link. Thank you.